Goodbye pen and paper. There's a new way to let your creativity show. The evolution of technology in our lives is incredibly fascinating, and the ability to draw on a tablet is something many thought we'd never see. Contrary to typical tablets, some drawing tablets don't have screens. Rather, they're essentially a virtual piece of paper that sends pressure from the pad to the computer that powers it. These tablets come in many forms, including computers, basic drawing pads, or typical tablets. No matter what material artists draw on, they have to be willing to adapt to that surface, but the best graphic tablets make it incredibly easy to get used to them. Consider these drawing and graphics tablets before you begin the newest phase of your artistic lifestyle. We have listed the top 6 drawing tablets and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 6. Simbans PicassoTab. The Simbans PicassoTab is actually a standalone tablet, despite the fact that we were steering clear of these for this review. The reason this unit to us could be considered a drawing-specific tablet is because that's the thing it does best. If you want an Android tablet for media consumption and web browsing, this will do fine, but you can get just as good of an experience on the cheaper Amazon Fire tablets. What this tablet does better is drawing, and that's for 2 reasons. It comes with an active stylus right out of the box, allowing for solid palm rejection. It also comes with Autodesk Sketchbook and Artflow pre-installed, 2 excellent beginner sketch apps for Android. As far as tablet specs go, these aren't all that impressive, but they'll work well for a standalone drawing tab. There's a 1.3 GHz quad-core mobile processor, a 10.1-inch IPS display that supports a resolution of 1280 by 800, and even a 2-megapixel front-facing camera and a 5-megapixel rear-facing camera. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even microSD card slot are here. You also have the capability of using a micro HDMI port to connect this tablet to an external computer. And it's that latter point that makes this really friendly for budding artists. They can start with the onboard Sketch app basics, but then graduate to real Adobe apps and use an external monitor while using this tablet as a peripheral. It's a good balance of both worlds, and it goes for right around $200. Number 5. XP Pen Artist 12. The XP Pen Artist 12 earns our 5th spot because of its compatibility, customization, and reasonably affordable price point. The touchscreen display in 1920 by 1080 HD IPS display is in the highest resolution available, but with 72% NTSC color gamut accuracy, its focus is on reproducing your work with as much precision as possible. What's great about having an 11.6-inch display inside your drawing tablet is that you don't need to look at your other screen while drawing on a separate surface. You're drawing on the device where your lines and colors appear. This makes it feel like you're really creating art in the real world. The passive hexagonal pen allows for 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity so that you can really get the hand sketch feel in your work. And because the pen is passive, it's not another device that needs to charge. In addition, the Artist 12 gives you a full high touch bar you can program to fill certain commands on your computer, and you can harness 6 different assignable shortcut keys. This makes it less of a drawing-only tablet and more of a full-featured control surface for your design programs. The device is compatible with Windows 7, 8, or 10, and Mac OS X as old as version 10.10. Number 4. Wacom Intuos Pro. Wacom is one of the industry leaders when it comes to drawing and graphics tablets. With virtually no lag and 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity in the included battery-free Wacom Pro pen, the Wacom Intuos Pro is the best drawing tablet on the market for professional artists. The tablet's lightweight design makes it easy to use on your desk or lap, and you can customize everything from the tablet's express keys to the Pro Pen choose buttons, depending on your favorite shortcuts. My experience with this tablet was fairly easy and enjoyable. The pen makes it easy to fine-tune details and brush strokes in any drawing program you're working on. However, this tablet was made for professional artists. Neil Chase, a digital artist, said that the Wacom Intuos Pro is his preferred drawing tablet. One of my favorite projects involved creating a series of intricate illustrations for a children's book. The Wacom Intuos Pro allowed me to achieve the level of detail and precision I needed thanks to its impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Chase said, "This made it possible for me to create incredibly lifelike drawings and easily control the thickness and transparency of the lines." The Wacom Intuos Pro with the included Wacom Pro pen comes in 3 sizes to suit all sizes of artwork and editing. Number 3. Gaomon PD1560. The Gaomon PD1560 boasts a big, bright 15.6-inch display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. In some ways, it rivals the Wacom options, but because it doesn't feature a touch wheel or flashy multi-touch, we think it's a more suitable rival with our fifth pick from XP Pen. Because of the 72% color gamut accuracy and the 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity from the active pen, it really does have many of the features of the Artist 12. What makes it different is that it offers 10 assignable function keys, which is more than the Artist 12. However, you'll have to pay nearly $100 more for this device. The IPS display's brightness and the extra function keys might be enough for you to spend that higher price tag, but the awkwardly wide form factor makes it a device that will take up a lot of space on your desk. There's no denying that this is a great peripheral with truly impressive pen specs. We found that the pen performed flawlessly during testing, although we noted that the side buttons could be more pronounced. Number 2. iPad Pro 6th Generation. Apple's most powerful tablet is the best drawing tablet, thanks to its ease of use and superb display that provides crisp detail while drawing. Both the 11-inch and 12-inch iPad Pros feature a Liquid Retina display with True Tone, 224 ppi, and a fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating. If you're planning to do a lot of professional drawing work, you will have more than enough power with the Apple Silicon M2 chip and high storage options. According to Julia Dreamhunter, an entrepreneur who side hustles as a digital illustrator creating stock illustrations, anyone interested in digital illustration should work with the iPad Pro, especially since the popular Procreate app is only available for iOS. I have also used the Affinity Designer app for vector illustration, which has a desktop version as well. But the ease of drawing on an iPad cannot be compared to drawing with a mouse or using a Wacom tablet with no screen, she said. She said that perhaps the best part is the Apple Pencil 2 compatibility, as it gives you a professional feel while still allowing you to draw by hand like a normal pencil. You can use your Apple Pencil to hover over the iPad Pro screen and move between tools such as pencil, brush, eraser, and colors. Or you can even preview before making a mark on the screen. With some drawing tools, you can even tilt the Apple Pencil to change the angle for different effects. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 16. Similarly to the Artist 12 from XP Pen, the Wacom Cintiq 16 aims to offer artists a true digital canvas to work on, a standalone touchscreen display that packs in the same precision of Wacom's non-screen pads, but with a colorful visual to offer immediate feedback on your work. That display measures 15.6 inches diagonally and features an HD resolution of 1920 by 1980. The glass encasing the top of the display, while a bit glossy, features a glare-reducing coating that's easier on your eyes. Speaking of accuracy, the Cintiq 16 can portray up to 16.7 million distinct colors, giving it a gamut accuracy of 72%. This is pretty standard for design needs and will work well for most art projects. The other side of the Wacom equation is the physical feel of drawing on the tablet. Wacom is known for its accuracy and functionality, and the company has done its best to include those features here on an actual screen-based tablet. At the center of that is the Pro Pen 2, providing 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, up to 60 degrees of tilt recognition, and an impressively low latency level that is undetectable to most users. You'll sacrifice some control, such as the multi-touch capabilities and assignable function buttons found on other Wacom units, but you're doing so to get the best possible display-oriented tablet you can for a steep but not exorbitant $650. In conclusion, we've covered the top drawing tablets in this video. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up, as your support means a lot to us. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Which drawing tablet will you be picking? Thank you for watching the video, and if this video has been of assistance to you, don't forget to like it. To stay updated on our future content, subscribe to the channel. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care and see you later.